first one. This one is chocolate with rainbow sprinkles. This one is the one with like strawberry thingy in it or something like that. And these are sugar ring donuts.
That's honey.
Well, honey one.
drizzle.
And the most special one is this.
That's strawberry.
These are so pretty. This one is the most prettiest because this one is the most.
This is the honey choco.
Fourth day namin ngayon ng bakasyon, and we're preparing kasi kami on our way to Dumaguete City. At the moment, nandito pa kami sa condo namin sa Azure, Manila. The girls are now ready. Look at Princess. Princess is ready. Go that way, Princess. Go that way. Alright, that's Princess. Mira.
Look at my outdo.
Outfit do. Yeah. That's Christine.
Oh! Oh!
And that's my mark.
Guys, before we eat, look at my fresh trim, just so you know.
Oh!
No, look at my. Wait, hold on.
Sorry! Yan mga anak ko,
Look
guys.
at my fresh. Well,
Look at that.
Look at my
Kung may
fresh.
anak kang ganito kaingay, I think wala na.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
yeah.
Glasses on. Boy.
Kama ma.
I had a crush. A Filipino girl had a crush on me.
Ew!
Shut up. Wait, hold on. Oh,
Ganyan ang ingay nila, guys. Ito si si Freddy Aguilar.
Surab.
Come on, eat now.
Chocolate.
Sarap! Oh, McDonald's. Ayan ito, Dunkin' Donuts. Hi, Matthew. Hi, mga. Are you sure?
Yeah, look at the vlogging. We're going to Dumaguete soon.
Yeah,
In a
kasi
few hours.
maraming pagkain na natira sa ref. So, kung iiwanan namin yon, masasayang. Masisira na. So, yan. Niluto ko na lang muna with the mixed vegetables. So, ganyan lang. Gisa-gisa lang with this one. And look what we have as well on this other one. Kamote! Sabi ko sa'yo, kain to the maximum level. Isa with chili, onion, garlic, and then, pag maliit ang kusina mo, ganyan lang mga ka-metal. Ilagay mo ng mixed vegetables. Lagay mo ng mixed vegetables. And then, mamaya-maya, ang end product niyan is ubos ito lahat. Yan ang end product. Masarap. Ano yun ba? Masarap. Ano yun ba?
Ugly hair.
Oo. Yan. So, leave it for few minutes. Maybe 3 minutes. And then, lalagyan mo na ng seasoning, whatever seasoning you like. Alam ko naman tayo mga Pilipino magaling sa mga gisa-gisa, kahit ano dyan. And then, after that, serve na sa mga 5 kids.
Where are we off to?
The tongue.
Oh, yes. The tongue that's...
Because we're going on a ship.
Shippy.
Hello, mga
Petas.
Say hi!
Hello. I'm so comfortable in this little spot though.
Take a petal!
Hi, men and petals.
Man, is he Chinese?
What?
See you joke.
Chinese!
He's crying.
Oh! That's Princess, she's sleeping.
My mate's fixed. She's fixed.
Our sleepy beauty.
See? Faye.
Like,
Little Chinese person.
Hey guys, so we're on a ferry right now. Well, yeah, ferry. To go to Dumaguete City to see Ina. And it looks like this.
No, video me. I have a bite on my face.
Wait a minute, Mariam. There's a TV, people,
No, cut
and mommy eating away. So yeah,
And I have a bite on my face.
that's what you get when you're in Philippines, isn't it? Wow, it's so
How'd you put the
dark as
camera
well.
on? How'd you put the light on?
No, ship.
This big old
Kuya. Where are we going?
Cebu yan.
That's where we're going, guys.
yeah.
That's where we are going.
Hey! So, oh yeah, just is it first class? I didn't be in first class. Just so you know, we're first class.
First class, guys.
Oh, smexy.
Morning, guys. It's our second day traveling to Dumaguete, and look how pretty the view is. We are here in Sibuyan. It's just a stopover. We're not actually staying here. Yes. Look at my beautiful mama.
I'm not beautiful. I haven't slept for from since 9 o'clock last night until now. Around now is what time? 9 o'clock.
Yes.
9 o'clock in the morning.
There's only 7, Mommy.
Sibuyan Island, we're nearly to our place. Malapit, English pa. Malapit, nahirapan ng sarili. Malapit na kami sa sa pupuntahan namin. Diba sabi ko, we're by land. But hindi naman palaging land kasi kailangan din sea ang travel. So, stop over dito sa Sibuyan Island, which is very nice. So, kaso lang hindi makababa. And look at the rainbow. Look at the rainbow. Have you seen the rainbow? There's the sunshine after the rain.
Where are we going, guys? Where are we going?
My home.
Yeah, no! Rojas is just like a stopover, but where are we actually going? Yes, you excited? You miss your game room, Mac?
Yeah, dude. I want to go to Siki Hoi though.
We just missed it?
No way.
Yeah?
That's where I actually wanted to go.
I think we're gonna go.
No, we're not.
That's our destination.
Siki Hoi on the way back.
Yeah. That is our Rojas stopover.
Hello, people. We're finally at where? Dumagete City. And we're having breakfast.
Hello mga kapetals! Morning breakfast in Dumagete, that's one. Puto, pian, kutsinta, budbud, what's that? Mangga. That's all for now. Ay, sige, bye-bye na. Mamaya na lang ulit. Bye!